G'day and welcome to week 3 of your 13-week plan. This week we're going to be talking about upselling and making the most out of your clients, and I'm going to give you a few hints and tricks, and obviously the best way to improve your upselling is by practice. And you just need to remember the worst thing your customer can say is, sorry, I don't need that service at the moment. So you just don't know until you ask. We'll start with the major, what we believe the best upselling services are for each division, and with the ways to ask for them. The best upselling service in cleaning is definitely cleaning the oven. The main reason for that is the customers that you're dealing with. When you mention that you can clean the oven for them for $80 or $100 or $90, depending on the size of the oven. That's what we recommend. Anywhere from $80 to $150 is a good price point, depending on how dirty or how big the oven is. But most customers will appreciate that. And that applies for cleaning the barbecues as well. It's pretty much very similar, same format. Now, the best part of upselling is it's what we say is 99% profit. And the reason why we say that is there's no additional travel time, there's no additional fuel, there's no additional fees, there's no additional insurance, there's no additional anything that you pay, except for the chemical, obviously. And that's where that 1% comes from. And the best part of upselling is you're there. It may take extra half an hour or 40 minutes, and for extra $90 or for extra $80 for half an hour work, it's a very good hourly rate as well. The second upselling service of cleaning division will be cleaning the windows. Obviously, if the windows are below 2 meters, you can offer window cleaning services to your clients, and that's cleaning the inside or ideally the inside. External windows could be a bit tricky, but cleaning the windows will be definitely a great upselling service as well. And I mentioned earlier, barbecue cleans is also a very good one for cleaning. For car detailing, you actually have a huge range of upsells, but from what we've heard from our franchisees and from our experience, headlight restoration is definitely up there. You'll see while you're detailing a car, you'll see a car with a faded headlights. It should be almost guaranteed to upsell, just showing them how you can do it. I know some franchisees a bit more cheeky and actually do one of the headlights and say, would you like the other one done as well? Obviously, doing a polish on a car that needs a polish will be a good upselling service, as well as steam cleaning or shampooing the seats, the interior of the car as well. So there's obviously depending on what the service or what the customer is looking for, you have different services of upselling ideas. Another idea will be shampooing or steam cleaning the baby seat if the customer has any kids in the car. That's definitely an area that would need detailing. For carpet cleaning, again, due to the various of services, there's majority of the leads that we receive is obviously for steam cleaning, carpet cleaning, but then again, there's huge potential for upholstery cleaning. There's potential for tile and grout cleaning, even for mattress cleaning. So they're the top 3: upholstery, tile and grout, and mattress. And again, you just need to ask your customers. The best time to ask your customer is actually not before you converting the lead into a job, is actually while you're there at the job, performing the services. It's a good idea to say, I just realised your upholstery needs a good steam clean, and we can do it at a because since we're already here, we can do it at a discounted rate. And for windows and pressure cleaning, obviously it's 2 divisions that's combined, so it makes sense if you get a window cleaning lead trying to upsell pressure cleaning and vice versa. And again, it's a division that can do both services, so a lot of opportunities in window and pressure cleaning as well. Blind cleaning and repairs, and again, similar to windows and pressure. If you're getting a repairs job, you should always try to upsell the cleaning side of the things. And sometimes when I speak to the franchisees, they mention they get a lot of those 10-minute, 15-minute, 20-minute repair service calls to might be to repair the chain or resize the blind. That's great, but the opportunity to clean the blinds is still there. So that's definitely a great upselling service. And as I mentioned earlier, there's no, don't be shy, don't be embarrassed, and the more you practice, the better you'll be at upselling. And remember, upselling services are almost 99% profit. Just go straight to your bottom line. And if you need any help, please contact your franchisor for upselling ideas.